Alright, come on. Huli tayo ng bait. Talaga. That's how you catch some bait. Look, tumalon yung isda. Tumalon. So, ito yung mga gagamitin natin na bait. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito sa Tagalog, pero we call this here sa mullet. Ayun o, naghihintay na yung mga birdies. Oh! Alright. Uy! Yo, what is up people? Kamusta kayong mga Earth? Nakakita nyo na naman ang pagmumukha ko. Today, nandito kami sa beach and iniwan ko muna sila Cheryl tsaka yung mga kids kasi susunduin ko si paring Jessie kasi yung sasakyan niya hindi 4-wheel drive. So, yeah, kitang-kita nyo naman. You know, 4-wheel drive action, baby. Ano? Huli na tayo ng fish?
Chef, wala ko nakuha
Wala ba?
shrimp eh.
Wala ba? May live shrimp. Mayroon tayong live bait today.
Okay, may pangliga ko Carolina naman.
Meron, yeah, that's good. Alright, lagyan lang natin ito sa truck and then let us go. Alam nyo mga herbs, si paring Jessie, laging prepared dyan. Pero ngayon, I don't know what's going on. Wala siyang live bait. Normally may live bait siya sa Damuhal. And I don't know.
You wanna bring the
Ilan yan?
aerator?
Ha?
Aerator?
Anong railer?
Yung aerator.
Aerator? I have one.
You have one already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. You know, yan ang first surf fishing rod. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Alright, lagyan natin ito sa truck. Nasaan ang baby?
Right here.
Yun. Uy, pen slammer. Yayamanin. Sana all. Sana all. Medyo madaming tao today, pero okay lang yan dahil na-save na namin yung spot na gusto naming puntahan. Ayun, no? Dami nag-fishing. No? Tingnan mo tong loko na to. Excited na. excited na this. So far, na-appreciate ko na yung truck na to kasi nadadrive ko na siya sa beach. Noong una kasi takot talaga ako itong i-drive sa beach. Pero right now, I think it's worth it. Munti ko na nga ibenta to kasi mahal na ng gas dito sa amin. Pero so far, I think I'm gonna keep this truck. Kanina pa kami nandito. Stingray tsaka catfish pa lang nahuli namin. Palagay ko may balat sa puwet tong kasama ko.
Yeah.
May balat ka ba sa puwet?
That's what I like.
Hintay-hintay lang tayo, baka may mahuli tayo. Maya-maya lang.
Balat sa puwet. Nakita mo yung rod na yun?
Nasaan? Ayun, ayan. Ayan ba? Uy, bull red. Eto. Ano yan? May nahuli na yan eh. Ito, kailangan makahuli ng shark. Pang shark talaga to eh. Pero wala. Simula nung binili ko to, wala na akong mahuling shark. Ba't ganun? At finally, may nahuli na si paring JC. Ayan o. Ano yan? Anong isda yan? Oh, hold on. Nakapuli lang, baby. Maliit lang sa akin. Nawala yung sa akin. You gotta be kidding me. Really? I got a catfish. That's a stingray. Holy cow.
It's not even caught by the mouth, bro.
What are we gonna do about it?
I'll get it out. Careful, man, the barb. I got the pliers right here.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Ayos.
Should have get my phone, baby.
That's a big stingray. Buti nga hindi napigtas yung line mo, men eh.
Galing, alam.
Sabi ko, bigat eh. Stingray pala. Ayos, at least. At least nakahuli na kami ng fish. That's fine. That's totally fine. Kanina pa kami dito. Maybe 2 oras na kami nandito. Meron tayong huli. Hey, this might be a red, dude. Come here.
Yan, sa kanya mo na rin pan.
Here. This might be a bull red. No, never mind. It might be a stingray. It might be, but hey,
Tagil again?
just in case here. Come on. Baka bull red yan eh. Don't lose pressure.
Ah, no. Something
Yeah,
again.
feels like a. That's a red.
Is it? No, it's a croaker.
That's a bull croak. This is a massive croaker. Lakas naman ito.
Hey, at least we got a croaker.
Dude,
man.
this is strong.
Yeah. To pull that,
Hey.
to pull that thing.
Akala ko rin. Lakas ng croaker na yun ah. So finally, meron na tayong isang huling isda. This is actually a keeper. Uh-oh, mommy got something. Oh man. A stingy. We got another stingy. So, wala pa talaga kaming mahuli. Well, ako pala, wala pa akong mahuli. Kaya naman, mag-ano na lang, dead shrimp na lang muna. Walang kumakagat sa live bait ngayon. So, shrimp piece lang. And hopefully, hindi siya matanggal pag kinasto. Okay, mukhang may huli na naman si Kolokoy, oh.
Croaker.
Another croaker, dude?
Yes, sir.
That's a big croaker, man. Nice. Sana all. I don't know what happened, pero nung nandito kami last week, dami naming nahuling isda. Pero ngayon wala eh. Maybe because of the weather. Kasi merong paparating na hurricane dito sa amin. So, o baka may balat lang talaga sa pagkat sa amin. But I don't know.
At least you can't see my face.
I know, right? Stay pa tayo ng mga anong oras na ba?
Up to you, man.
Anong oras na?
5:50.
5:50, mga 7? Maximize na natin. Minsan lang to eh.
5:55.
Maximize namin yung time namin kasi every weekend lang kami nakakapag-fish eh. Meron akong nilagay na ulo ng isda dito. And hopefully, baka huli tayo ng sharky shark. And hopefully, okay lang yung audio nitong video na to. Meron akong bagong mic. And naglagay rin ako ng dead cat. I don't like these. Alright. There's croakers all over the place. Fishy, fishy. Hey, come here. Come on. Put it back in the water.
No.
Come on, put it back in the water. Iya, why are you putting this phone on the sand? Don't put this on the sand. You're gonna break this. Matter of fact, keep it now. Here, put this back on the water. No, it's not. Put it back in the water. Go. Don't step on my rod. It's a little bit heavy. Swimming towards you?
Yeah.
It's right there. That's a baby shark? That's a baby shark. Ooh, bone ahead. Oh, it's a keeper.
Is that shit?
I need a big bonnet shark. Bonnet head shark. So, meron mga shark. Pero gusto ko mahuli yung malaki. Gusto ko yung nanay nito. Hopefully, di tayo makagat. Nice! Good cat. Kaya pala ang bigat, malakas.
Yeah.
Ang lakas Where's Marshall? Marshall! Yep, on the head shark. And it's a baby shark.
Nagugulat siya dati.
Marshall! Marshall! Marshall, look! You want shark? No? No? Whoa! Whoa, here we go. What is this? You have it? Oh yeah. Here we go. Yep. What is this? Baka wala na naman. Baka mamaya ipabigat lang. What do I have here? Another catfish. You got to be kidding me. Oh man, I need a sharky. Wala, puro catfish talaga na mahuli ko today. Pero hopefully yon, merong malaking bait yon para sa malaking shark. Wait lang tayo. Oh hell no! Oh man! Alright. So, kala namin, meron ng malaki. Ayun, meron pa isa doon. That's a fish? Kala namin may malaking fish na. Ito lang palang birdie na to. Ang pangalan nitong bird na to is Seagull. First name niya, Steven. Steven Seagull. Alright, you're free. Kala ko malaking isda na.